In today's video we're going to double crochet 5 together. So essentially we're putting 5 stitches together using double crochet. If it's the beginning of the round or a row, you're only going to chain 2. Usually you chain 3 when it comes to double crochet, but we're going to put the first 5 together. So this counts as the first stitch, so your next one is right here. So you're gonna yarn over and going in, pull through 2 and hold it. And you're gonna keep doing that until you get a total of 5 loops on your hook for the very first one. So it's an easy way of looking at it. You can also count the stitches as well, but I always look to the loops to give me the indication when I have 5. Now because this is the beginning of a round or a row, you're only gonna see 5 for the first time, but after this you will always see 6 if you're in the middle of a row or round. So let's just do the next 5. So yarning over and let's pick them up and let's collect them. I got exposed to this stitch when I was 14 and did the Catherine wheel stitch. It's a fabulous stitch, and you just collect until you get these all. And what I like to do is just use my finger, and there's 3 and there's 3, just visually. That's what I'm looking for. So the first, these 5 are the stitch. This is the beginning loop that didn't exist when we started a round or row. So you're looking for 6 and then yarning over, pulling it through all loops. So that is double crochet 5 together.